Ahoy my salty sailors and glorious guppies, my name is Captain Haze, and today I'm going to show you how to add icons and rename your model in Vtube Studio. Let's dive right in. First thing you're going to want to do is open Vtube Studio. Double click on your screen and go to this top icon that says Change VTS Model. As you can see, there's going to be a list of models here, and you're going to see the one you have selected. Now, in order to add an icon, it's actually pretty easy. You're going to go into import your own model and then open folder. You're going to get a list of all of your loaded models. You're going to go into the one you're currently using. I am currently using Captain Haze Mach 3, and it's going to show all of my folders and JSONs, and I will then go and drag a PNG of what I want to use as my icon into this folder. So I have switched to display capture, and I'm going to press the open folder button and then minimize out. And as you can see here, I have the icon I want to use selected, and I'm just going to drag it in like this. I've named it the Young Haze icon because when I debut my 2.0, this will be my younger self. And then once we're done, we are going to go over to settings, this pink icon here, and click on it. We are going to open this icon here called model settings. It's the icon with the person and the gear. And then as you can see here, there is a no icon, or perhaps there's an icon you want to change already there. But we're going to click on that, and as you can see, the PNG we dragged into our model folder is now here, so I'm going to select it, and it's going to take a second, and it loaded up. So if I go back here, my cute little face is now in the hotbar. Now, if I wanted to change the name, I would just have to do this. Now I can go back to where I was before, and I see this here. I'm just going to call this Young Haze. I'm going to click out of it so that little text bar goes away. Then X out of this. Double click to open the hotbar back up. And as you can see, it's moved all the way over here because Y is at the end of the alphabet. It has renamed. Easy as that. And that's all you need to do. Thank you all so much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please like, maybe subscribe, leave a comment, and ask any questions you might have. Feel free to suggest for future tutorial videos. And thank you all so much for watching. Captain Haze is now sailing out. Happy time zone, and for me, goodbye.